Hello everyone. Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and living your best life. Today, we're showing you how to make an easy, natural detox drink that's as refreshing as it is good for your body. Ready to feel rejuvenated? Let's dive right in. Detox drinks have become super popular, and for good reason. They're packed with hydrating and cleansing ingredients that help your body flush out toxins, boost your metabolism, and leave you feeling energized. And the best part? You don't need anything fancy. Just simple, fresh ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 lemon, half a cucumber, a handful of fresh mint leaves, and about a liter of water. That's it. Let's put it together. First, slice up your lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is great for your immune system and helps kickstart digestion. Next, grab that cucumber. Not only is it super hydrating, but it also contains antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Perfect for a natural detox. And don't forget the mint. It adds a refreshing flavor while helping with digestion and giving your drink that spa-like vibe. Finally, pour in your water, give it a good stir, and let it sit in the fridge for about an hour to infuse all those flavors. And now your natural detox drink is ready. Sip on this throughout the day to stay hydrated, boost your energy, and feel amazing. It's that simple. Thanks for joining us here at Health Options 101. Give this detox drink a try and let us know how you feel in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to refresh their health. See you next time and have a great day ahead.